how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Venom smiling. It's just going to be his kind of features and the smile. So be easy, super easy for beginners, and you should be able to do this, okay? Stay all the way till the end of the video and you'll be able to draw this from your memory. So I'm going to be using a Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. If you like being able to draw your favorite characters, if you like engrossing yourself in art and drawing, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. So if you like improving a little bit every single day, definitely hit that subscribe and that bell notification. So let's get started. Let's jump into it. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start at the eyes. Maybe like a jaggedy sign over here. And his eyes are jaggedy. There's a lot of leeway. You could make that a curve. You could make this a jaggedy line all the way up. A lot of leeway on Venom's design, and that's kind of one thing that's cool about it. Going over here, up, like there. More or less just trying to copy the other line, all right? Kind of match it. But the cool part about Venom is you don't have to match it, right? You can just kind of like put your own style into it, which is why it's such a cool creative character. Over here, out. Pulling in. We're gonna like put it up there. Doing good. Hopefully doing good. If you ever watched Venom 2, let me know what you thought of it. Haven't seen it yet. But yeah, put in the description what you thought of it. Did you like it? Tell me your thoughts. Curve over here. See, this is a little bit bigger than that side, but that's completely fine. It doesn't matter. Asymmetry is completely okay. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go over here. Let me draw a line over here because I want his smile to go all the way up. Over here, pulling down. Actually, I'm going to curve it a little bit. Pulling up over here. I still want it curved. That's going to be his lips, and I'll just incorporate that into his teeth. Are you doing good? All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pulling out teeth. And this is not going to be a version with his tongue. That's why it's different. I'm going to throw different size teeth over here so that... Excuse me. I don't know why I always like yawning. But I'm going to draw it all the way through. And he's going to have that look of like, wow, like he looks really dangerous. That's kind of the look he tends to have anyway. He tends to have a very dangerous look. I think I'm going to make this side of the smile a little bit more. Some teeth come out over here. All right. And I'm going to throw a curved line over here because I want his lower lip to exist. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw a shadow here, maybe going over on his teeth, coming from his lip. Right on there. I put lines in the actual teeth to kind of give them some dimension, just like a thin line, right? That's like a detail, a surface detail, and that's more or less what I'm trying to get across. And then now we're going to go with the bottom teeth. And they're going to pull all the way up. I want it to look closed, right? He's closing that up. And places I can't close, I just fill in like that. Different sizes here. So I'm trying to do mostly. And I'm going to fill in the midsection here, right? The little in-between section. He looks so different when he's not like, his mouth isn't like long and wide open, right? Over here. Over here. But yeah, I think so. I'm going to draw some lines in the teeth as well over here. But yeah, Venom is one of my favorite character designs. I don't really like his character that much, right? He just got mad at. Yeah, man. I guess they changed his origin in the movie, but Spider-Man, right? He was just like Eddie Brock, and he was just really mad at Peter Parker or something like that. And he found this outer space material. But yeah, I thought his story was not that great, but I thought he was a cool design. You know, the design's really neat. So I think that's kind of the reason why he's so famous. Pulling in over here, pulling in, just to kind of throw some, angerness in there. Right? And that would be Venom just kind of smiling, right? It looks so different without the tongue. That's his face. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I hope you guys have a great time. Don't forget to share the video. Share it on Twitter or Reddit or Pinterest. It takes about 2 seconds. It's on the bottom right-hand corner. Also, go check out the description. There's a lot of cool stuff that will make you a better artist in the description. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Make sure to keep it easy, okay? See you later.